Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. To make a shape like this, it's symmetrical and kind of just a rounded square. There's probably more ways to do this than one. Well, let's just take a rectangle. And I'm going to hit P to put it in the center of the page. And I'm going to go right here. I want to put in 5 inches, which is way overkill. Because I could have put in 3 and it would have done the same thing. But if you don't know how far. Now, let's make it 12 inches. I had my ratio locked, so it made it that. I'm going to take a rectangle now, and I'm going to make it about that size, and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees, and I'm going to hit P, and I'm going to just take it and hold down the control button. The control button makes me kind of stay up and down. To make this symmetrical, take your Smart Fill tool and cut that out. Now or not your virtual segment delete key. Then take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Move it over. I'm going to left click, right click, Control D, and I'm going to mirror it vertically. Take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. There you have the shape. I'm going to get rid of this one. That's why we Smart Fill it, so it'll be just one object. And let's get rid of this stuff. I'm going to take this and I'm going to left click, right click, Control D, and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. And you could just weld it and you get that. Now, if that's not kind of what the shape, I mean, that's exactly that almost, but if that's not exactly what you want, you could delete one of them and make it longer and hit P, Control D, 90 degrees, and you get a total different look. And then just grab both of them and weld. You could either weld or you could actually take your virtual segment delete key and just delete the line. But then when you do that, you have to, and I commonly do that and then use the Smart Fill tool to do that. So 2 different shapes made exactly the same way. That's what the Smart Fill tool does, is gets rid of it, makes it all one object. Pretty cool little design. Hope that helped. Thank you.